power battery holder compatible with the E-M1 Mark II camera. Dust, splash, and freezeproof 10C. AeroPad allows same operation while holding the camera vertically or horizontally. Accepts 1 BLH1 battery, sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. My main reason for buying this was to add a second battery on an all-day shoot. Fits the bill. Very well constructed, feels great in use, but adds weight and size to using the OMD1 Mk2. Really the only downside. Great for handling and adjusting on the fly when shooting portraits. Weather sealing matches up with the camera.